On behalf of the organizing committee of STI 2024, it is my pleasure to extend a heartfelt welcome to all our participants, including keynote speakers, authors, researchers, reviewers, industry professionals, and distinguished guests. I am thrilled to announce that this edition of STI has received a record number of submissions, which is 352 in total. Among them, only 102 papers were selected for presentation, resulting in an impressive acceptance rate of 29%. Furthermore, we are proud to host participants from over 32 plus countries, reflecting the truly global reach and significance of this event. Over the years, STI has continued to grow its stature, earning 2000 plus citations across its previous editions, including more than 1000 plus citation only for the first edition, demonstrating the strong academic impact and recognition of this conference. I'm wishing a happy and prosperous STI 2024.